up, guys? It's Allisha and Patrick coming to you from our new temporary space. It's a little different, but
It's cozy.
we've got everything.
Yep.
Everything you need. All right? We've got a couple of limitations we'll go through here, but the best part is you can still come in, get your workout in about the next 2.5 months.
Yes.
In preparation for the new space.
Yep.
And it's going to be great. But let's walk you through a little bit, talk you through it. If you have any questions, come find a staff member. We'll be happy to show you any changes in your workout that might need to happen, maybe an alternate exercise, whatever you need, staff is here for you. All right, so keep that in mind. All right? All right, you ready?
Yes.
All
and
right,
you're going to be hearing some construction as we're going through here. So.
All right, so first thing we want to do is we'll talk through the treadmills.
Yep.
That question's popped up a lot.
Yep.
Unfortunately, due to the power constraints in the gymnasium, we weren't able to bring any of the treadmills over with us. Now, we do have our arc trainers, we have our ellipticals, we've got a power mill, we've got AMTs.
Rowers.
Plenty of stuff to use. Just the treadmills, unfortunately, had to be left behind. All right? So, again, if you need help setting up any of that equipment, just let us know.
And because of the treadmills not being in here, another question that we typically get is about the track. And unfortunately, the track will be closed down about the same amount of time that we're in this space. So just to answer that question as well.
All right, so the next thing we've got is we were able to bring in 2 of our squat racks with us. A couple things to keep in mind here. If you are going to squat, you do have to keep within the rack. We're not allowed to put any big weight down on the floor to keep the gymnasium floor in good order. And that also includes no deadlifting at this time. You can do rack pulls or RDLs.
Yes.
We've had some people changing up with some of those as well. You can do that, just nothing onto the floor. All right. Again, if you need any assistance with any changes,
We're here to help you.
Yep. All right. Now let's head on over to our other. As you can see, we do have all of the selectorized equipment in here with us, so that is available.
Now this is the only way that you can make it over onto the other side of Court B. So just make sure that you follow it this way.
All right, so Court B during this time, this is our multi-purpose space, basically, for lack of a better term. We do have a great slate of group exercise classes that are going to be going on. We've got open gym opportunities, both for pickleball and basketball. And outside of those schedules, it's open. Shooting around, pick up games, bring the kids in and play a little bit. Who knows, we may get 35 more snow days before it's over. You just don't know. But
Hope for your sake that doesn't happen.
Right. So that's what this space is for. If there is a class going on, you need an extra set of dumbbells. We do have some at the far end of the court. We'll be keeping most of the classes down at that end, so it'll give you space to get through if you need to. If you need a space to do some stretching, we've got some mats down in the corner. You're welcome to do that as well.
Foam rollers are over here as well.
Yeah. So basically, the functional training area we had over there, you are able to do that on this side as well.
And then just a couple other things to note. So today they did have to change our entrance, but you still can come into the side entrance and then head back to Kids Corner as normal. That's still the same as for right now. I keep telling everybody for right now, changes happen and we're moving on the fly. So, but for right now, at this moment, that's what you can do.
Absolutely. And again, if you have any questions, find a staff member. We'd be happy to walk you through it. And make sure you're getting a good workout. We want to make sure that we're here for you this time.
One other thing too, we've been trying to make sure that we keep our communications up as best as possible. A lot of times it's usually just through our social media accounts and then also email. So if you're not getting our updated emails, please call us or stop in so that we can update your email to make sure that you're getting those, because those are the really only means of communication that we got.
That's true. So. That's true. All right. Well, come on in, check it out. Rumors happen, we know that, but we want you to make sure you come in and see it for yourself.
Yes.
Check it out. All right? Got anything else?
I don't think so.
All right. We'll see y'all soon.
See ya.